Mga kateki, gusto mo rin bang ma-reach ang mga financial goals mo? If yes ang iyong sagot, just watch this video. Kumusta mga kateki? In this video, papakita ko sa inyo on how you can reach your financial goals by investing in the stock market. So very intimidating sa iba yung stock market, but in reality, napakadali lang naman mag-invest dito. And now na online na nga lahat, you can have access to information and also you can now invest online using these platforms. So hindi na lang siya para sa mga mayaman. Lahat na may access sa internet, pwede na mag-invest. Pero syempre iba wala talagang idea on how you can invest in the stock market. And yun nga po yung goal nitong video na to. That's to help you invest in the stock market. And since this is an investment mga teki, kailangan niya po ng kapital dito. And hindi lang po kapital na one time, big time na kailangan malaki. Kung wala pa tayo nun, okay lang. Basta nakapag-save tayo every month, 1,000, 2,000, or even 500 pesos, pwede tayo mag-invest. So first, to give you a picture, pakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin ma-reach yung mga financial goals natin. So let's say for example, ito target amount natin. Gusto natin mag-retire in 10 years or 15 years, gano'n, or 20 years. Yan. So, how much money you want to target in the future? Let's say for example, you want 10 million for your retirement in 20 years. So, saan mo ba siya pwedeng i-invest na may rate of return? Let's say, for example, 7 or 10%. Saan pa nga ba siya pwedeng i-invest? 7 or 8 or 10%. So, with the stock market, historically, it grows 10% every year. In the past few years, yan, subok ko na, I'm regularly investing and still investing right now. And I would say, na hindi lang 10% yung pwede nating kitain dito sa pag-invest in the stock market. And with our guidance, pwede namin kayo matulungan on how you can manage your portfolio. Let's say for example, we have a rate of 10% if we are going to invest in the stock market. Ayan, so 10%, lagay natin. Okay, so yan, scroll down na natin. Future ending balance, 10 million. Ayan, so start tayo ng 2025, so 20 years, no? Lagay natin dyan, 20 years. So, in year 2044, yan, so meron tayong 10 million. So, magkano yung kailangan nating i-save every month para ma-reach natin itong goal natin? Yan, so kailangan lang natin mag-save ng 13,226.99 every month. And regularly, we're going to invest that in the stock market. And how we can do that? How do we invest regularly? That's what we are here for, no? So, pakita mo natin sa inyo, 13,000 yan every month. So, total annual 158 and hindi tayo nag-withdraw. Yan, so hindi tayo nag-withdraw, hindi tayo maglalagay ng withdrawal dyan. Interest earned, so nag-interest earned na siya. And then, at the end of the year, meron tayong ending balance of 174. So, tumubo agad yung pera natin. Let's say, for example, na ganun niya, no? So, pero hindi naman talaga at the end of the year tutubo yung pera natin. That's not how the stock market works. This is just an assumption and this is just based on historical records na 10% yung pwede nating kitain sa stock market, no? There are times na mas mababa, pero there are times na mas mataas, like 10, 15, 20%. So, it's going to be an average. In span of years, yan, meron tayong mag-average yan, no? Hindi tayo sumasablay sa paghuhulog natin. So, dire-diretso lang. And yun nga, year 2030, yan, meron na tayong 1.3 million. So, bakit? Meron tayong kinikita na interest, no? So, yung interest na kinikita natin, hindi natin yan wini-withdraw, nire-reinvest natin yan. So, that's the power of compounding. So, yung pera mo, nanganak siya. So, this is an analogy. Yung pera mo, nanganak siya. And then, yung anak ng kapital mo, nanganak ulit. So, yung anak ng anak ng anak na nanganak ulit. Ganun siya nag-work, no? So, that's the power of compounding. So, the more na nire-reinvest natin, yung interest na na-earn natin, the more na mas malaki pwede natin kitain in the future. So, tingnan natin, no? By year 2037, interest earned pa lang to, no? Meron ng 2 million. Interest earned pa lang. Grabe, di ba? Ang total na earn natin as interest is 6.8 million. So, tingnan natin dito, total annual contribution, yung orange, and yung total interest earned is yung blue. Kung makita natin dito, over time, mas malaki na yung kinikita natin sa interest kasi nire-reinvest nga natin siya Hindi natin siya wini-withdraw, hindi natin siya kinukuhanan. Nire-reinvest na natin. So, yung anak ng kapital natin, kumikita pa siya ng kumikita para sa atin. So, that's the power of compounding. So, that's how we do our investing here. And so, in the first few years, napakalit lang talaga ng interest na in-earn natin. Pero kung tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, kumita natin, talagang napakalaki ng pwede nating ma-earn sa interest pa lang. So first, ano nga ba yung platform na pwede natin gamit? So ito, na-video ko na to before on how to invest in the stock market. Pero gusto ko lang din talaga siyang ulit-ulitin. Kasi yung talaga advocacy ko to help people invest in the stock market. Pwede tayo mag-open with colfinancial.com. Yan. So nandiyan na yung link niyan sa my description box below. And then makikita nyo, yan, invest in stocks, invest in mutual funds and ETFs. Open an account with COL. So dito, kompleto na. Pwede kang mag-invest sa stocks, sa REITs, sa mutual funds, and UITF. So, lahat pwede na. Yan. Click nyo lang yung open an account. And then, ito lang. Kailangan nyo gawin. Ready your requirements. Yan, yung mga requirements natin. So, valid ID, Philippine bank account details, TIN, SSS, GSIS, blank sheet of paper with 3 consistent signatures, and sign up. Yan. Click nyo lang itong sign up. Pwede na kayong mag-open ng account online. So, di nyo kailangan pumunta anywhere. Kung kailan nyo maisipan, kahit madaling araw pa yan, pwede. Use an active email and mobile number. For verification, use a device and camera, photo and video requirements. So, lahat naman siguro meron ng cellphone. Pwede yan. And submit all requirements online. So, wala kayong papadalhan. Hindi kayo gagastos. Yan. Kuryente, internet lang kailangan nyo, syempre. And fund your account. Once na napag-sign up ka, okay na yun. Yun na yun. And you just need to fund your account online na rin. Hindi nyo kailangan pumunta sa mga bangko. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang gawin online sa mga banking apps ninyo. Yan. So, pwede rin namang over-the-counter bill. So, yun yung kadalasan ginagawa ko dati. So, wala pa kasi masyadong online noon. So, dito, GCash, Maya, pwede rin. And if you are an OFW, pwede rin naman yung overseas remittance. Pwede yan. And if you have any questions, nandyan lahat ng details nila. And you can just search itong colfinancial.com and they are registered with SEC, yan, Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay, sa mga tagi, share ko lang sa inyo ito yung platform nila, and huwag kayong ma-intimidate kung meron kayong mga nakikitang numbers dyan, no? And also mga news. So, hindi nyo kailangan masyadong aralin yan lahat agad-agad. So, medyo ma-overwhelm kayo yan. So, from here mga tagi, since nakagawa na tayo ng account and nakapag-fund na tayo ng account natin with COL Financial, so all we need to do from here is to execute yung pag-i-invest natin regularly. So, what do I mean regularly? It means every month, and tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa paglalagay, sa pagfa-fund ng account natin dito. We can make it automatic para hindi na tayo nahihirapan. And we just need to select a stock na pwede nating lagyan every month. Yun yung tinatawag na peso cost averaging, wherein we put money in that specific stock or stocks every month para mag-average yung prices niya, and over time magkakaroon niya tayo ng profit from that. So from here mga teka, I'd like to invite you to join our Truly Rich Club. Nandiyan po yung link dyan sa description box below, and here we can guide you on what stocks to buy and when to sell, when to buy, or what to do with specific stocks. And so kung makikita nyo, meron tayo ditong recommendations, yan, mga BOSS, SAM, REITs, mutual funds, kung ano yung mga mutual funds na pwede nyo bilhin, and kung hanggang kailan nyo siya pwedeng bilhin, or kung ano yung pwede natin gawin kung i-sell na ba natin, at what level, at what price natin siya bibilin, or at what price natin siya pwedeng ibenta. So that's what we do here sa Truly Rich Club. We will guide you on how you can invest in the stock market and also to continue investing. So yun po yung kasi pinaka-importante. It's not enough na nakapag-invest tayo or nakapag-start tayo. We need to do this regularly in the long term. So it means 5, 10, 15, 20, or even 30 years natin ginagawa itong pag-invest. So for a lot of people, they're investing in the stock market kasi gusto nilang meron silang fund for their retirement. So alam naman natin that it's not enough na meron ka lang pension, no? So napakaliit lang nun. So dito with stock market, you can build your own retirement fund. Once you have that retirement fund, you can invest it mga dividend paying stocks or dividend paying na mga investments, and then have the interest regularly. Yeah, so every month yung ginagalaw mo na lang is yung dividend or yung interest ng pera mo, and intact yung capital mo. So that's what we are aiming here sa Truly Rich Club. So we want to invite you here kasi napakaraming benefits. Ayan, so for example, itong mga videos or mga updates ng mga articles, ayan, nakaka-motivate kasi talaga ito. So this is what will keep you going to invest in the stock market, and also to give you information kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari sa stock market investments natin, no? Okay, sa mga techie, just to give you an idea, this is how the recommendations look like. And so merong stock code dito na nasa gilid, and then yung current price nila, ayan, so makita nyo. Also, yan, dito lalabas yung buy below price, no? So you keep on buying this stock every month, and it should be below that price. Kapag tumaas na dyan yung price, you stop buying it. So you just hold it, and as a recommendation, and you just hold it, and then you wait for it na ma-reach niya yung target price. And so we buy below 100.87, and our target price is 116 pesos per share. So that's how it looks like yung recommendations natin. So meron din mga stop buying, and so syempre na-reach na yung buy below price, yung current price niya above na ng below price. So it also hit yung target price natin. So talagang stop buying na tayo dyan. As you can see, di ba, we had the recommendation for this stock na we should buy below 22.3. Yan. And the current price now is 27.35. So na-hit na yung target price natin. So yan, hindi lang yan, marami pa yan yung mga ganyang stock, no? So that's how the recommendations look like. So this is not a typical investing, no? This is called active investing. This is where you are participating talaga, kasi it's not like you put money every month and then you wish for it to grow. So dito there's a little work involved, pero yung reward niya talaga napakalaki, kasi you will grow your money kahit na yung overall market condition is below. Kasi if you're doing this active investing, you are growing your money even if the market condition is below the 10%, no? So let's say for example the whole Philippine stock market is just growing 8%, but your portfolio is growing 10-15% because you are actively investing. You're not just putting money every month and then you wish for it to grow, no? So there's a little work involved, pero napakalaki ng reward niya. Ayan, so this one, ayan, continue buying, may hold, ayan, so just need to hold, and at times syempre kailangan natin mag-cut ng loss natin, or kailangan nating bawasan yung investments natin kahit hindi pa nata-target yung price. So those are the kinds of recommendations, and it's very timely. Yan, so para updated yung portfolio natin, no? So kailangan ano rin tayo, mabilis din tayo. So syempre para natin ma-maximize natin yung ating profits. So mga techie, just to give you an idea, let's say for example you want to compute for your retirement fund. And so you just need to know what is your monthly expense. So if you don't know, then you just need to compute it right now. Okay, so let's say for example your monthly expense is 30,000 pesos. So your total annual expense is 360,000 pesos, and our target retirement fund for that is 9 million. So for 30,000 pesos per month, you need 9 million para masustain mo yung monthly expense mo. And estimated interest or return rate, yan, 4%. Ayan, retirement years, ibig sabihin kung gaano katagal yung itatagal ng fund mo. Ayan. So yung retirement years, it will depends on you. Wala naman yan kasi at the end of the day, you're just getting the interest ng retirement fund mo. And so you can make it 30 years if you're expecting to live 30 years, but still it's the same. Hindi naman masyadong nagagalaw yung ating fund or yung capital natin, kasi we are getting the interest from our retirement fund. That's how it looks like. Ito, yung estimated interest or return rate is 4% kasi this is the most conservative, no? We can put our retirement fund sa mga conservative funds lang. Kasi syempre, we are in a retirement stage na. And that's it mga Techie on how we can invest in the stock market. So I hope to see you there in the Truly Rich Club. So again, I want to invite you in the Truly Rich Club. So yung link niya nasa description box below. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.